Hello, and welcome to Listen and Learn English Easy. Today's idiom is, bite the bullet. Imagine a soldier long ago. No painkillers, no anesthesia. A doctor needs to remove a bullet or perform surgery. What does the soldier do? He bites down on a bullet. It is painful but necessary. Today, bite the bullet means to force yourself to do something difficult or unpleasant that you have been avoiding. You do not want to do it, but you know you must. Example 1. I bit the bullet and went to the dentist. Again, I bit the bullet and went to the dentist. Example 2. We need to bite the bullet and fire the underperforming employee. Again, we need to bite the bullet and fire the underperforming employee. Example 3. She finally bit the bullet and ended the toxic relationship. Again, she finally bit the bullet and ended the toxic relationship. Common structures: bite the bullet and verb. Finally bite the bullet. Have to bite the bullet. Warning: do not confuse this with bite your tongue. That means to stop yourself from saying something. They are completely different. Your turn. What have you been avoiding? Is it time to bite the bullet? Tell me in the comments. Learning English idioms can feel hard, but bite the bullet. Keep practicing. Soon you will sound like a native speaker. Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy for weekly lessons. Keep listening, keep learning. See you next time.